Vice President Kosano Chiwenga on Sunday conspicuously skipped the official opening of the national prayer and Thanksgiving service in Bulawayo, opting instead to remain in Jinoi, a move that has once again drawn attention to the simmering power dynamics within ZANU-PF. Sanabina Mashugone County, VP Chiwenga is snubbed presidential national prayer event. Subscribe or like on the bell like team I the high profile church gathering at the Zimbabwe International Exhibition Center ZIES was officially opened by the acting president, Vice President Kembo Mohadi. Mohadi is standing in for President Emerson Mnangagwa, who is currently on annual leave. Rather than attending the nationally televised event, Chiwenga traveled to a farm outside Jinoi to console the Swanepo family following the death of their patriarch, former Commercial Farmers Union FCU President Nick Swanepo. The visit was widely published by the state media, with Chiwenga praising Swanepo's role in the land reform dialogue and racial reconciliation. Chiwenga's absence from the prayer event comes just days after Mnangagwa formally outlined his leave arrangements, a move that has been widely interpreted as politically loaded rather than merely administrative. In a statement issued by the Office of the President and Cabinet on the 23rd of December 2025, Mnangagwa announced that Vice President Mohadi would act as president from 23 to 31 December 2025, after which Chiwenga would assume the role from 1 to 13 January 2026. Mohadi would then resume acting duties from 14 January until Mnangagwa returns to work in early February. Despite being the first vice president and constitutionally senior to Mohadi, Chiwenga has been allocated just 13 days as acting president compared to Mohadi's significantly longer combined periods. The sequencing effectively placed Chiwenga's acting role between two longer stints by Mohadi, a figure widely regarded within ZANU-PF as politically non-threatening and personally loyal to Mnangagwa. Toma developments aripo. Pina comment section medu nzafunguro enyi motu lipa msope chitko ichi. Subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.